This video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Signal Private Messenger. So first of all, open up your app and then navigate to the Chats tab at the bottom left. And from here, click on your initials at the top left and then click on Settings. And from your settings, you're going to click on your initials and your account at the top. So let's do that. And then in here, as you can see, we can change our profile picture by clicking on Edit Photo at the top. So let's do this. And now we can select an avatar in here, or you can select a photo by clicking on this in the middle. You can also use your camera to create a photo right away. And you can also add text. So let's say you want to add some different initials. Then you can also do it like this. And you can also change the color of this. So once you have everything done, then click on Done. And then if you want to set everything to your preferences, then you're going to click on Set. So let's do this. And then you need to click on Save again at the top right to make everything final. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.